I'm just, you know, recording stuff to show our kids.
Plenty like a Georgia peach tree.
Guys, I literally thought I was making egusi soup. Well, guess what it is? You know! This is what it is. Ogbono. Ogbono mixed with egusi. Like, I actually put egusi at first, and then I saw something else that was white in the fridge because the egusi I put wasn't enough, and then I put freaking ogbono. It's drying a little bit. I don't even know, bro. Anyways, it's for my dad, so he's gonna manage. Because at this point, I still have this thing on my face. I need to wash my face. I told him that I made ogbono, but he doesn't know it's ogbono mixed with egusi, so we will see. But I actually made banging jollof rice. Let me show you guys. It's still cooking. It needs to get like soft a little bit, but this is a work of art, and it's single. Can you see? I'm so zoomed out. I mean zoomed in.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. As much as you want. Just take a few minutes. You guys can feel free to take pictures, do video, whatever you want.
Really a mini one. Very scared. Let me see. This is my outfit. Let go.
Right foot up, left foot in first. Right foot up, left foot in. I don't know if you guys saw it, but the moon is just starting to come up. I think it's a full moon too, so it looks awesome. It's gonna be really pretty up there.
Okay guys, can we just admire God's creation? Like, this is so pretty. But yeah, the driver was right, the captain I mean. That was the full moon right there. We're having a blast. I didn't like put the volume up here so you guys can hear what I'm saying because the helicopter was so loud, and here is me just driving the helicopter I mean. Yeah, I actually drove for like 2 minutes. He let me drive, but he also had control on the other side, but I had full control, you know. So I was driving the plane, and yeah, it was a fun one, and the landing was very smooth, as you can see here. we made it back safe, period. Thanks to me, the captain, of course. Thank you, Mary's Beauty, for sending over your limited edition makeup sets. It's the perfect gift for the holidays, and if you like to know more about everything, it will be in the description box down below. I'm always late, but I just finished filming the video for you guys, and I'm running late for Ashake's concert. Let me actually put on my jacket. I need to go pick my friend up, Asha, and I need to clean up the mess that I made over here. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'm gonna head to go pick Asha up. Like, picking Asha up is dark. Picking Asha up is like a 30-minute drive, and then driving to Ashake's concert is like 20, 30 something from her. So I have to hurry to do that. But I'm gonna show you guys my outfit right now. It was really last minute. Let me bring the jacket as well, because it's gonna be cold, and I feel like it also makes the fit look vibey. But yeah, that's basically my outfit, because I literally couldn't find anything, so I just literally just put stuff together. Let me show you guys properly my outfit. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, this is the shoes. Let me take that down. Yeah, it's just a chill fit. I'm thinking of putting on this red bag. I don't know if it's like, I just feel like it's just something extra to add. Or should I just take a black bag with this? I feel like I should wear a black bag, but I kind of want to do something different. But yeah, this is basically what I'm thinking. I don't know if it's too much colors. You know what? I think I might just wear a black bag. But that's just basic. But yeah, I'm late. Actually, I'm so sorry if you watched this. I'm sorry I was late, but yeah, I think I'll just wear the red bag. It's not that bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go right now. Probably not vlog over there. I'll probably vlog on my phone, so the camera quality will go. Hey guys, good morning. I just got back from the gym, and today I am going to be shooting content because I haven't shot content in a really long time because my life has been a mess, a hot freaking mess. Last time I saw you guys was during Ashake's concert. I was like, oh, I'm gonna talk about it the next day, which was gonna be Monday, because Ashake's concert was on Saturday. Actually, I was gonna talk about it on Sunday, like about how we went and everything. Maybe I should just brush through that real quick. Ashake's concert was a mess. Okay guys, these people sold tickets and they didn't know that they were selling tickets to underage people. We got there, they were now checking at the door. After they let some underage people enter, they were now checking on the door for people that were apparently underage, and then they started sending people back. They said they'll refund them. Next thing, people were skipping the line. I was one of them. Oops. So they were like, you guys should move back. If you don't move back, it's just a long story. Basically, I don't have strength to start talking. We got in there by force, so people started pushing because they weren't letting people come in. We stood in line from 7 a.m. to freaking 10 p.m, almost 11, and people started thinking Ashake was already performing on the inside because the music, the vibes, everything changed, and we're there standing outside waiting, you know. So like people were like, they started pushing to enter. Pushed me, pushed all of us in front, like boom, everybody entered the venue. After that, on Sunday, what did I do? I went to church. Church was nice. Came back home, everything was good. Monday I went to class. After class I was coming back home to do braids. So I had a client because I braid hair on the side for money, and I was coming home to get braids done. I only had one class that day, so on my way back I had an accident. And yeah, I've been dealing with that basically, and now my car is damaged. But anyways, that's what happened, and I've been dealing with that for 2 weeks. This happened like 2 weeks ago. This is the 3rd week, and I'm still struggling with insurance people. So I don't have a car right now. I've just been chilling at home, and I've been crying my eyes out. I've been sad. It affected my exams because then, like, it's a long story anyways. But I know like my car will get fixed eventually and everything will be fine. So right now I've been getting myself together, and yeah, I went to the gym today. I've been gymming this for the past few months, even before my car got damaged. Trying to get my body back in shape is a very slow journey right now. I feel like I gained so much weight from when I was working out, so like I'm trying to get myself back. But hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Okay, so why am I talking like that? Today the chemies are having a formal. This is one bad nerdy bitch in the future. Okay, girl, you look hot, so don't wear the leggings. This is good.
No leggings?
Yeah.
Are you wearing leggings?
No.
Okay,
Don't wear the leggings, girl. My senior year is like the best time to bond, you know? Let me tell you guys a story. When we were online, right?
Yeah.
Are
you talking to me or?
All of you. When we were online, I was trying to bond with the classmates, so I joined their Discord group. And my name on Discord is Sose. Parv, you were there.
I was. I never knew.
You're on the Discord group. Remember that's how we became group mates for thermal.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because we went on Discord and then I texted you on Discord and I was like, do you have a group or something? But that's how we were group mates on thermal anyways. If you don't remember, I'll screw you. But
I was just looking at
me, I was too shy to talk. Anyways, guys, this is Wara. She is the only one that's not dressed right now, so
Come on, hurry up. It's almost. Wait.
We are early. I'm not doing a lot of makeup because this is chemies, okay? Chemies in UMD. There's some chemies that, you know, they're...
See, I've realized that I don't mind being a nerd. I just don't like over nerds. You know what I mean?
You're actually...
No. Let me explain.
You're actually insane.
Let me explain so you can get what I mean.
I want to hear the tea.
When we hang out with the conversation makes sense. Like it's like we talk about things outside of the major. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah.
When you talk to people like, move on, Mr. Man. Like let's talk about something else.
My God.
Benita, you're so good at makeup. How'd you learn?
Sis, YouTube, but I'm not good at makeup. I just do basic makeup.
You're good at basic
in our
makeup.
class that do a lot of excessive stuff.
And he was trying to tell me the joke. He forgot the punchline. You know what I'm saying? I felt so bad. So he explained it to me. And then I did not know when the joke ended. and I just did it small.
Okay guys, we're all dressed. I did my regular schmegula beats, very simple. It kind of looks orange. Actually, let me come to this light because it's more white. It kind of looks orange because of the lighting.
For your makeup?
But yeah.
Hi. I'm changing my earrings because they look very boring.
Yes, she's about to get
I don't know how to vlog, sorry.
She's about to get all glammed. But yeah, let me show you guys our outfits. This is mine. Simple. I just wear a coat because it's gonna be cold. And I feel too dressed. Well, who cares?
No, you always feel like that, and then when you get there, it's like fine. Because everyone's.
Yeah. And then this is Parv. She's giving girly shit.
Ignore this ugly keys.
Well, period. I'm about to go eat Lido's pizza. Can you imagine we're dressed like this to go eat Lido's?
I know. Why is it formal in Lido?
Yeah. They should have done like a nice, luxurious Indian restaurant.
I know.
Or like a Chinese restaurant. Like something bougie. The belle of the ball. She's giving cleavage as well. So Aleko is gonna fall for her. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm going out with Eileen today. I'll let me show you guys my makeup. We're going to like an Indian restaurant. I haven't vlogged in a minute. I don't even know how to. And here's the bitch. I'm just gonna fill it. I look so crazy. Start over. Sit your head down. Got it. We're not real.
Look at this. I'm just going to first this one.
Thanksgiving.
3 months pregnant.
Huh? Cute.
Fuck. Okay.
Okay.
Eileen, catch up. Like, can you guys book her when she decides to open a hair page? Madness. Yeah, we're vlogging. She's vlogging.
I'm not vlogging.
I'm vlogging.
I'm just, you know, recording stuff to show our kids.
Yeah.
Because I'm 3 months pregnant.
Baby is coming.
Anyways,
for
please.
who? Nope, not me. Hey, baby.
I know you want me every day, not only when you're lonely. Yeah, you see, you think you know me.
Why is that? We need the light. Sorry, folks. I look. Yeah, we need the light. It looks dark. No, but it's still cute. But it's just giving blurry vibes. Yeah. So 1% shine is bright.
The way you're gonna flip it is not good.
Let's just do it when you come and do it. No, yeah. Give them time to eat and rest. Let's give them time to eat. Maybe before we start shining lights on people's faces. I forgot we start recording. Okay, guys, we don't get pictures in this outfit tomorrow. Kill us. Now I feel like taking full body picture. Girl, kill me. Because I kind of like the outfit. With the leather jacket and stuff. This place is cute. It's cute. I can feel the light in here. Hey guys, we're done with dinner. And the guy actually, so I tried to take my pic, and the guy actually like came and said, oh, you guys are flashing lights and stuff. I was like, you guys are flashing lights? So he showed us where to take pics. And we're here. That's Gloria right there. Christmas tree over there. It's giving museum vibes. Gloria looks so cute. But guess what? She's gonna say she doesn't. We're gonna take pics of Gloria, right? If she doesn't post it, comment down below, I told you so. But if she posts it, then I'm wrong. Okay guys, outfit of the day. We'll just breeze up. So, okay. But coat is Princess Polly. Zara inside. PLC. And mine is very simple. I mean, top is from Zara, skirt is from Zara. Okay, so this is from PLC. Earring is VVV. If you do me, I do you. Step on the dance floor. You give it to me. Hey, if you give it to me some more, you get to see they do me. So make you give it. Hey guys, welcome back. We made it to Jersey. My camera quality looks really weird because I changed my memory card because my memory card wasn't working. But we're ready for the gala. We're a bit late. Let me show you my outfit. Just a bit late. Actually, very much late. Forget the jackets. We tried. No, this is the fit. Gloria is giving glam. Oh, what do you mean? Now these heels are gonna hurt. What? I'll sit down. I'll dance from the feet. I kept crying a lot, so my makeup might look a little bit patchy. But at least we got it done. Dara is ready. And we're going. Huh?
The memory card affects the...
Yeah, it can't shoot in the 4K.
Oh my god.
Because it's not compatible. But it's fine. I'll get the different... I didn't know either. That's why I was like, oh, it's okay.
Oh, that's so serious. Okay. Okay, should I?
Yeah, 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 right. Yeah, yeah, my mind. Yeah, yeah, my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray.
Okay, guys, so they're about to do the raffle, so let's see if we're gonna get something.
Gloria, where you at?
Where you at,
Where you at? I have a really strong feeling you're gonna win. Wait, I think we're all
gonna win something. Let's go.
I'm gonna shake it up. Let's start with the Sienna Naturals hair basket.
It's my lucky.
Alright, next up we got this. No,
0, 7, 6, 7. 4, 6, 6, 7.
Thank you, bro.
yes.
Don't follow. Okay, luxury girl. Yes, ma'am. Go, go.
Wildcard winner.
Yes, girl.
The fitness basket.
4, 6.
Hey, baby.
Like this in a matter of time I spent on some locked up shit in the back of the paddy wagon, cuffs locked on wrist. See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I said, yeah, I do. If you want it, you gotta see it with a clear eye view. I was finished. When I would ask tomorrow, you thought it was winning. Touching on it, some like Papa on the spinach, double empty. That's my team, I say the captain, I'm lieutenant.
No, but the videos from last time is so nice.
Yeah.
Like, they're really nice ones.
We left Jersey like an hour ago, so we'll probably be home soon. We have lots of work to do, so we left early because we have exams coming up. But how was your experience with the gala? It was her first time. She won Kate Spade bag, as you guys saw. Like, I'm so happy though. Because me too, when it was my first time, I won my Polish choice
really
thing.
wanted, yeah.
She won the Kate Spade. I didn't know you really wanted that. She really put all her tickets in there.
Because there was nothing crazy that I wanted.
It was fun. It was nice to dress up. You guys saw.
It was nice.
Gloria was the queen of the ball. I think you looked the best.
Really?
Yeah,
Like
you
my
looked
stomach
really
was
good.
punching so much.
I beg, fuck so much. Did you see my stomach too? My stomach too was big. It's the season of finals. We will all be fat. That's life. But yeah, we're driving home now. I'll see you guys later. Probably end. These next few clips is just me arranging my room for the new year. So I hope you guys enjoy this short time lapse. Cue the results. Now this is just a tired girl doing her happy foot dance, but this has come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the new year. Happy New Year.